guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix call ended on Instagram. So lately a lot of people have been complaining about this, trying to call someone with your Instagram and it keeps showing call ended, and you must have checked your internet connection. It's very strong, so probably it's not from your internet connection but from the Instagram app itself. So I'm going to show you how to fix that up. So what you need to do is you have to go to your Play Store to ensure that your Instagram app is up to date, like it's updated. As you can see, mine, I just updated mine now. So after doing that, you be sure that yours is updated. Then you can now go back and try to do it again. Just go to, just like this, try to call someone. Right, just keep showing this end call ended. So after doing that and it still persists after updating your app, all you need to do is you have to go to your profile right there, click on this three horizontal line above your screen, and you are going to scroll down to help and report a problem. Right there, shake up your phone and report a problem. Include, and now type call keeps ending while calling. So you just send that and Instagram is going to give you a feedback within 48 hours. So after doing that, you can now enjoy the app. So I'm very sure after updating your app is going to actually come back to normal and you don't have to fix that call ended issues anymore. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.